Hello, this is Art Mason. This is the video associated with Homework 5. The PDF written file shows how to set up the system so that you can do the mapping. And here we'll start doing the mapping. You can see in the screen that everything's been set up and the mapping is ready to go. You can see the RViz down here and the little area that gets mapped. I've opened up the layout so that I can control the robot through the keyboard, and now I'll let the robot go forward and continue its mapping. I've slowed down the robot speed so that it doesn't go too much. And it's going forward. Now I'll have it make a left turn. See, now it's making its left-hand turn very, very slowly. I slowed down the acceleration of the turns too much, so it's moving very slowly on its left turn, but it's reorienting itself. Let's see if we can see the thing a little bit better here. Yeah, so it's reorienting itself, and I'll stop it now and let it go forward again. There's its position right now. Here's the starting point where it came up in the room. Here's a desk ladder obstacle. The desk is above, the ladder can't see it. And now it's going to go from the back wall of the room back to the front of the room. So I will give it a command to move forward. And I'm going to stop it, and what am I going to do? I'm going to put the camera on the ground and let you see what the room looks like and watch the robot moving. Give me a second for that. Okay, so now you can see the robot. You can see the room a little bit. Over here is where the desk leg is. That's the obstacle that will be going around. I'm on the right side of that over here. Sure you didn't want to see that. And the vehicle over there on the left side. And now I will issue a command for the vehicle to complete its mapping and move toward us. Okay, so you can see the vehicle approaching. And I will stop it. And I'll save that mapping. What you're looking at now is the safe map. Here's the front of the room, the walls, here's the back wall, and here's the desk leg that is going to be the obstacle. So we're going to try and navigate across this room and see if we can get around the obstacle. That's what you'll be looking at next. So now the navigation has been launched, and you can see the map where the the room. Here's the room, and here's the laser. Seems that the laser is drifting in rotation a little bit. That's going to put things a little bit out of whack. So I'll make a correction on that. But that's not going to last for too long. We'll see what we can do. Use the pose estimate to reset that in this direction. Okay, so maybe it'll drift around a little bit and line things up. What we're going to do next is use the 2D navigation goal to give it position. So here's what the target position is going to be and the orientation. So here's the current position of the robot. It's on the right side of this of the desk leg, and we'll put it right in toward the front of the room. We'll put the target in the back of the room on the left side. So we set the target. Now the robot's starting to move, and you can see it's making a move. Oh, looks like it looks like it's a little bit slippery right now. Well, the robot sees. So I tried to give it another go here, and gone ahead and set the mapping up. It's still drifting a little bit, but not as much as before. Let's try and give it a little bit more of a modest goal here. Let's just set it here in the orientation in this direction. See if it's able to make that motion. I gave it a little help. It appears to be moving somewhat near the throat. Okay. So it's doing okay. It's reorienting itself. And there it's finally got into its final position, which is, well, notice it's still curving. And it actually made the adjustment and move properly to its final position. Okay, so let's see if we can do the same thing only with a camera view, not by viewing the automaze. Okay, so you can now see the robot over in this position. Over here, what I'm going to do is set the robot over to this position. Over here, and then see if it can traverse back toward the computer, which is located in the front of the block. Navigation goal, and you can see the car is proceeding in the right direction. Right now the car is behind the barrier, so it might not be visible to you, but we'll see if it keeps on moving. Sometimes it takes a while to figure out where it is, recalibrate. Oh, it's going in circles. And remapping. One thing is the floor is a little slippery, so you see the wheels moving without the robot moving. It's going to retry it once more and see how it can do. I'm going to cheat a little bit and help it out. One of the problems is that this mapping is totally going off now. Bring one out to the map and I'll see how it can proceed. And now you can see it's coming along, proceeding in the correct manner somewhat toward the... Alright, I think that'll conclude the demonstration.